Wow guys, it is an unbelievably beautiful day today, and I'm just so happy to be here. We've been getting a lot of rain recently, so I figured I'd check to see if there was any waterfalls running, and I just happened to know of this one south of Prescott. So here I am, and here's hoping. The creek's not flowing, so that's not a good sign. Maybe we'll get a trickle. Yeah guys, there's not much to it today. Well, that's unfortunate, but not to worry. I was here a few years ago and I put together a pretty good video on it, so I'll share some footage from that video. Thanks for being here. Please support my work, and I'll catch you in the next one.